Hey everyone! If your Starkey Omega AI hearing aids have become disconnected from your Android device, this video will help you get reconnected. Before we get started, place your hearing devices into the charging dock and open Settings on your phone. First, open Connections. Then, select Bluetooth. Remove your hearing aids from the charging dock. Then, select your hearing devices from the list. Your hearing devices are now reconnected. To confirm the connection, please close Settings and open the My Starkey app. The battery status bars on the top left-hand corner confirm the connection. If you don't see these bars, you will have to start the video over and walk through the steps again. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.